Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I am Kantharaj from NAGAR branch. Today I am going to teach you how to insert the symbols in MS Word. So in the MS Word, we have to go to the insert menu. So in the insert menu, we get a symbols here. So these are the recently used symbols which we can insert. So go for the more symbols. So keep the cursor here. The symbols will be inserted here. So insert symbols, more symbols. But while inserting the symbols, we need to select the fonts. The fonts are symbol, webdings and bindings. So as you know, in the home menu, we can change the particular font here. So in some fonts, there are some particular symbols. For example, if I go for webdings, choose here webdings. In the font, so we have a lot of symbols. Choose the symbol and click on insert. We can get a symbol. So a lot of symbols are there related to all types of symbols. In the webdings, choose symbol. So in the symbol also we get a lot of symbols like alpha, beta, gamma, omega, lot of symbols are there. And also in the bindings, we can get a lot of symbols. Some majorly used symbols are there like tick marks or a dangerous symbol or arrow mark symbol, maybe a success symbol or a blood bank symbol. But the same way, if I go for bindings 2, we have the symbols, and bindings 3 also we have the symbols. So this is how we are going to insert the symbols in MS Word. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to CAD NEST channel.